Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. If your gel nails keep lifting or peeling too soon, the problem might not be the product. It could be how you're applying your base gel. Today I'll show you a simple technique that makes your base coat stick better and last longer. Let's get right into it. The first step is nail prep. Start by gently buffing the surface of your natural nail using a fine grit nail file or sponge buffer. You don't need to thin the nail, just roughen it slightly to create tiny scratches. Next, soak a piece of kitchen paper with ethanol and thoroughly wipe each nail. This removes any dust, oil, or moisture, things that can prevent your gel from bonding properly. Clean prep is everything when it comes to long-lasting nails. Now for the base gel. Take a small amount and rub it into the nail, working it into those micro scratches. This is different from just painting it on. You're pressing it in. But after this first layer, the surface might still look uneven or slightly rough. So before curing, take a bit more gel and apply a second, slightly thicker layer. This time, glide the brush smoothly in a straight line to create an even, glossy surface. Instead of rubbing it in, focus on placing the gel gently on top of the nail. Make sure it's even, with a nice glossy finish across the whole nail. Then, cure it under your LED lamp. So why does this technique make such a difference? By rubbing the first layer into the nail, the gel fills in the tiny grooves and ridges created by buffing. This allows the gel and natural nail to interlock tightly, just like filling grooves with adhesive. Then, the second layer smooths it all out, giving you both strong adhesion and a beautiful base. This combo helps prevent lifting, especially around the edges. That's it, just a tiny change, but it makes a big difference. Try this trick next time you do your nails, and let me know how it works for you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.